So here there is the equation about the SAT. So simplify square root of 15 minus square root of 18 plus square root of 8. So choose for that which is the best. So also you can use your draft and then check for that which is the correct answer. So let's help you. So when you need to simplify the SAT, so the first of all we write this radicate into the prime number notation, the prime factor notation. So for that, so the square root of 15 this is equal square root of 5 power 2 times 2. So this is the same to it 5 square root of 2, because in these 2 we simplify these 2 and we have square root, so which is equal to that. So then 80 square roots, it is equal square root of also 3 power 2 times 2. So when you simplify this, also you get square root of 3 times square root of 2, which is equal square root of 3 is equal to 3 square root of 2. So 8 square root, this is equal 2 power 2 times 2 also square root. This is equal to square root of 2. So then we are going to replace this in H notation. So then we get square root of 15 minus square root of 18 plus square root of 8 is equal what? So this is equal 5 square root of 2 plus 3 square root of 2. This is the minus, so because we have a negative for that, so then plus 2 square root of 2. So by factorization, then here there is square root of 2 square root of 2 square root of 2. Here you have a square root of 2 bracket. So here you have a 5 minus 3 plus 2. So 5 minus 3 is equal what? Is equal to 2 plus this is equal to 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. This is equal square root of 2 times 4. This is the same to it 4 square root of 2. So, or we can take minus 3 plus 2, which is equal minus 1, then minus 1 plus 5 is equal to 4. So this is the answer. This means that according to this question, the solution is equal to that. The answer is what? Is equal B. Good. So answer is equal B. So this is the method of simplifying the square root of the SAT. Thank you.